What the hell, Tobi? Oh. Tobi, the good boy. What the hell? Where are the keys? What? Tobi doesn't know. What? Oh my god, I'm gonna kill you. Tobi, get me off of me now. You woke me up. Why are you waking me up? Ow! I don't care about your handcuffs. Ow! You want to play? Ow!
I want to join.
Ow!
Man down. Uh-oh, 2 men down. Oh, okay, it's just you and me now.
Sorry.
Okay, never mind. You go back to sleep.
Night.
What is this?
Handcuffs.
Why?
Because
I like them.
Because you're her
them off
bitch.
now. I don't think I want to take them off. Actually, I can't take them off. What do you mean you can't take them off? I don't have the keys. Idiots. What was that? Nothing.
What are you looking at, Itachi? Porn? What's it to you? The tension, the sexual tension going on here. It's not fun. Someone's gotta look at porn and get off.
So yeah, Tobi has the keys.
Okay.
Let's go find Tobi.
They're gonna have sex.
How about we beat Itachi up first?
You think you can give me? What?
What?
What? Okay. Oh! Hi, Senpai. Hi, Donna.
So Sora wants them off, so we need the keys.
What keys?
The keys? You have some keys earlier.
Tobi doesn't have any keys. Look at this cute puppet I found.
Tobi. I'm gonna kick your ass if you don't give me the freaking keys.
Run off. She's gonna run off now.
What are we supposed to do now? We're gonna break them on something. Yeah, break her. How about this knife? And cut your hand off. And start sawing.